Hey, Diane here at the Dallas Data Saturday, and I'm here with Kevin Ferreira, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his experience working with COZYROC.
Yes, so we've been users of COZYROC for over a decade now. On SSIS Plus, we've used it extensively for interacting with Excel files, SharePoint lists, and CRM Dynamics. And here most recently, we're using it to interact with Dataverse directly using the REST API endpoints. And so it's been great for us to be able to continue to leverage SSIS as our tool for integration and be able to connect to diverse data sets based on the different connectors that are supplied through the REST APIs.
And you, in particular, got a lot of help with some REST application you were using. Is that right?
Yes, that is correct. That was whenever Microsoft was deprecating the SOAP protocol for authentication, and they were forcing us going through the REST endpoints, and so we ended up working very closely with the team at COZYROC to just kind of make sure that the schema for Dataverse was fully functioning and how to traverse the different hierarchies and the different option sets in Dynamics so that the data would come through correctly.
Great. Thank you so much,
Yes,
Kevin.
no problem.